Good afternoon, students. How are you all? Let's start our English class. Yesterday we have discussed homonyms. In homonyms, we have learned same spelling, different meanings. Same spelling, same sound, but different meanings. But now we are going to discuss homophones. Homophones are words that have the same sound but different meaning and different spelling. Let's have a discussion on homophones. Here you can see two words, there, there, here, here. So students, you must understand the sound is same but words are different as well as their meanings are different. Let us discuss some examples. Here you can see two examples like bare, bare. The trees are already bare, means without any plant, without any fruit. Second is bear, bear. I'm afraid of bears. So student, pronunciation is same but spelling are different and meaning is also different. Next is bored. After a while I got bored and left, means when you're feeling bored. Second is board, where you write something. I'll write it up on the board. I'll write it up on the board. Now look at third example. Be. Be means while we say to do something, be quiet. Second is bee, means kind of bird. A bee is buzzing around. Next, beach. It's a nice day for going to the beach. Beach, the great beach is towered up towards the sky. Next is bean. Tom doesn't like green beans. Next bean, I have never been to Japan. Blue, she likes blue dresses, kind of color. Blue, she blew onto her coffee to cool it down. Means while you blew something, while you blew a balloon and all that. So blue, she blew onto her coffee to cool it down. Students, let us discuss some more examples. Allowed. Allowed. Smoking is not allowed here. The pain made him cry aloud. Altar. Altar. The groom left the bride standing at the altar. I can't alter the plans. Next, aunt. Aunts work hard all summer. Aunt. My aunt lives in Canada. 8. I ate 3 hot dogs. 8. Number. I work 8 hours a day. Ball means playing instrument. Tom caught the ball with one hand. Ball. I couldn't help it. I just started bawling. I couldn't help it. I just started bawling. Next, band. They formed a band when they were still at school. Band. Leaders of the band party were arrested last night. Some more examples. Right. Keep on the right side of the road. Right. She had to write a report on the project. Father. We decided not to go any farther. Father. I love my father. Meat. Maybe we'll meet again sometime. Meat. I gave up eating meat a few months ago. Flour. Sift the flour and salt into a bowl. Flower. What beautiful flowers. 4. There's a letter for you. I choose number 4. Pear. The students worked in pairs. This pear smells nice. So students, we have discussed so many examples so that you can understand homophones, and you will come to know that when a sound is same but different words, they are having different meanings. So you'll have to understand this and write down these examples in your fair notebook, and I'll give you one exercise on it that you'll have to note down in your fair notebook. Thank you students. Have a nice day ahead.